Hi everyone, CC Summerfield here, your San Diego real estate guide. If you've been thinking about buying a brand new home in San Diego, this is a great year to do it, especially if you want low maintenance living. I get people all the time asking me what is available as far as new construction in San Diego. So I'm happy to be able to bring you my top 5 picks for condos and townhomes in this video as part 1 of my 2-part series on new homes in San Diego County. We'll look at where they are, what they offer, and I'll take you on an inside tour of one of my favorite new communities, condo communities and townhome communities, so you can see the lifestyle for yourself. Before we dive in, keep in mind that builders are offering some impressive financial incentives right now. Things like closing cost credits, rate buydowns, or design studio upgrades. Every community is different, so if you'd like the specifics on what's available, feel free to reach out after this video. Let's start right in the center of San Diego in Mission Valley with Civita, one of San Diego's most vibrant master plan communities. And Toll Brothers' Everly collection definitely takes it up a notch. You've got resort-style amenities, attached garages, quick move-ins, and its super central amenity-rich location makes it perfect for professionals or downsizers. Prices start around the 900,000s, and builders here have been known to offer interest rate incentives when you use their preferred lender. All right, so I'm here in front of one of the Everly plans. It's actually the Plan E3. And this is one of my favorite neighborhoods just because it's so centrally located in San Diego. It's in Mission Valley here. And it's they've got just such great floor plans and just beautiful layouts. And for the condo and townhome communities, I would say this is a great pick, especially if you want to be central and have maybe a view of Lake Mission Valley back there. So let's step inside and see how this one looks. All right, so here we go into the Plan E3. As you can see, we have the downstairs here with a very handy bedroom right here at the front. We can get this, there we go. Carpeted flooring. Full wall closets and a very spacious bathroom down here with a luxury vinyl plank flooring. And easy access to, I'm assuming, the garage right here, but it is locked, so we're gonna skip on that one. Nice under stair storage area, closet. And let's head upstairs and see what else is to come to the top. We have an immediate half bath right here at the top of the stairs. Really nice to be able to have guests over and not have them have to use your bathroom. Nice open floor plan, open layout. And this particular one has a very nice sized balcony, although it doesn't really view anything but the hillside at this point and the sales office. But it is the model home, so that is why. As you can see, plenty of room for a large dining table. Nice big island in the kitchen with tons of cabinets. Gas stove. Super nice layout. To be expected for these newer homes. Again, lots of cabinetry, including in the center island, and a small pantry over here that, if you didn't already have enough storage, you've got more. And for those people that put stuff up where they don't ever want to see it again, there are still cabinets above the fridge and all across the top to the ceiling, which it's a high ceiling here. So for all those things that you don't need too often and you don't mind getting on a step ladder to get, those are great cabinets. All right, what else do we have up here? We have this bathroom. And coming through the living room one more time. We head up to the third story. And on this third story, as we go to the left, we have a gigantic bedroom here. It's not staged, but we'll take a look out the window. And I mean, depending on what lot you have, you may have a great view of Mission Valley, like I just noted downstairs near the front. This one has an ensuite bathroom, large standalone shower, dual vanity, and a massive closet. All right, we're gonna head over back through this gigantic bedroom. Fully equipped for putting your TV on the wall or whatever you like to have in your bedroom. It's electronic. We've got a hall closet on the outside here. Lots of storage space. Again, I really love how much storage space they're putting in these new homes. Full-size washer and dryer, which is definitely a plus for townhomes and condos. You've got the hall bath. And two very nice sized bedrooms. So 4 bedrooms total, 1 downstairs, and then the 3 upstairs here, with the primary having most likely the best view on most lots. Viewing out to be open. I mean, I guess it really depends on where you're at, but this is the primary. It is gigantic and has a very nice sized bathroom as well. All right, so you've just seen one of the Everly models. It's the Plan E4 here at Civita, and it has a ton to offer, especially with having the 1 bedroom on the main level near the garage, you know, in case you have somebody that has a tough time with stairs. It's a great space for that. Or if you need an office space that isn't one of your bedrooms, definitely could be used for that, utilized for that, because it's very separate from the rest of the house. And just really, I love the openness of this main floor, the main living area with, you know, the kitchen and the dining right behind me, and opening up to this beautiful living room area right there. I'm just gonna, you know, one more scan of that living room. Super nice. And then right out into this very spacious patio out here too. I mean, these are this is full-size furniture. You can see it definitely flows well. So definitely something to consider as far as Civita goes. If you're looking for the convenience of being super close to really everything. I mean, this is the most central location in San Diego here in Mission Valley. So definitely something to consider if you are still working and need, you know, a shorter commute and the conveniences of everything that Mission Valley has to offer. So I'd say that this is #1 on my list for location, for amenities. Civita in general is just a beautiful community. So I'm super excited about this one. Downtown Skyline is getting a major upgrade. Andia by Bosa is the first new condo tower since 2019, a 40-story high-rise with incredible bay and city views. I was unable to shoot on site, so I'm giving you a quick peek at their website. This building is at the corner of Broadway and 8th and offers supreme walkability to everything downtown San Diego has to offer. As for the building amenities, think rooftop pool, 24-hour concierge, fully equipped fitness center, and simply luxury living. 1-bedroom units start in the $500,000 range, and prices go up from there based on the bed-bath count and unit location in the building. Heading up to North County, we find ourselves in the lovely, walkable, newly developed neighborhood of North City in San Marcos. The Element and Radius are the third and fourth on my list of the top 5. They are modern townhomes that start in the high 600s and go up into the mid 900s with open concept designs and energy efficient features. The builders here sometimes offer HOA fee credits or appliance packages for early phase buyers. These are a perfect choice for first-time homeowners or investors who want long-term rental opportunities. Also in San Marcos is number 5, Skyhaus at Rancho Tesoro. Situated at the top of a 250-acre planned community, it offers privacy, views, and a gated community setting. These 2-story attached homes start in the mid-700,000s, and the community features a private recreation center called the Bungalow, a pool, fire pit, and barbecue pavilion, along with being very close to Discovery Lake and the community parks that are around it. Easy access for commuting too, right off the 78 freeway. These builders occasionally run limited time incentives on closing costs or landscape credits, which is great for offsetting those first-year expenses. Whether you're thinking of buying a new construction home or something that stood the test of time, I've got something that's going to make your life so much easier. One of the biggest challenges when relocating is figuring out where to live. San Diego is big, and each neighborhood has its own vibe, its own lifestyle. And let's be honest, not all real estate agents are going to be able to tell you the full story. That's why I created a free interactive relocation guide, so you can make the right decision, not just the convenient one. Inside this guide, you're going to find everything you need to know, from neighborhood breakdowns, housing options, school ratings, commute times, and even what to expect in terms of lifestyle and entertainment. But here's the best part. You can access all of this info right now in just a few clicks. So go ahead and scan that QR code on your screen or check the link in the description to download your free relocation guide. And trust me, you're going to love how easy it is to navigate everything. And once you've gone through it, if you still have questions or you need some help figuring out which is your perfect neighborhood, my team and I are happy to jump on a quick Zoom call and go over everything with you, completely pressure-free. I know moving is a big deal, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be stressful. So grab your guide, explore your options, and let's find you the perfect place to call home. Those are my top picks for new condos and townhomes in San Diego County for 2025. Remember, with builder inventory growing again, there's room to negotiate. Ask about closing cost credits or rate buydowns, and see if they'll cover HOA dues for the first couple months or offer design upgrades. And always bring your own agent. Even with a new home, it's a good idea to have a representative looking out for your best interest. If you'd like a custom breakdown of the current builder incentives or want to tour one of these communities in person, reach out through the link in the description, and I'd love to help you find your new perfect home.